Does your door shake every time the fan turns on? That constant rattling can drive anyone crazy. The good news, this is usually a quick fix. Fans change the air pressure inside a room. If your door fits loosely, the air makes it vibrate. Even a small gap can cause shaking. First, check if the latch holds tightly. If it wiggles, that's your main problem. Tighten the strike plate screws. Bend the plate inward for a tighter hold. Foam weather strip is one of the fastest solutions. Stick a thin strip where the door touches the frame. The foam absorbs vibration instantly. A simple door wedge works immediately. It blocks movement from airflow. Loose hinges amplify vibration. Tighten every hinge screw. Longer screws anchor the door better. Felt pads dampen noise and movement. Place them where the door hits the frame. This softens the impact and stops rattling. Sometimes airflow is the real cause. Aim the fan away from the door. Less pressure means less shaking. Air rushing under the door increases vibration. Install a door sweep to seal the gap. This stabilizes the door instantly. A magnetic catch keeps the door firmly shut. It prevents movement from pressure changes. Now test the fix with the fan on high. If the door stays quiet, the problem is solved. Warped doors may need sanding. Badly aligned frames may need adjustment. Draft blockers reduce airflow and noise. Shine a light to spot problem areas. Bigger gaps need thicker seals. Don't over-tighten screws. Don't use foam so thick the door won't close. A steady door means a quieter room. No more nighttime rattling. Tighten latch, seal gaps, stabilize hinges. Most fixes cost just a few dollars. Small fixes can eliminate big annoyances. Let the fan cool your room, not shake your door. Comfort starts with simple adjustments. Try one fix or combine several. Your room should feel relaxing, not noisy. Save this tip for future home issues. Watch next for more easy home fixes. Follow for more simple DIY solutions.